In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unlink GitHub from Discord. If you previously connected your GitHub account to Discord for profile display or role syncing, but you're ready to remove that link, this walkthrough will make it simple. We'll do everything inside Discord's user settings on desktop or in a browser, and the process is nearly identical on mobile. First, open Discord and look to the bottom left corner of the app. Next to your username and avatar, you'll see a small gear icon. That's the settings icon. Click it to open your user settings. If you're on mobile, tap your profile picture to reach the same settings area. Inside user settings, find the section labeled Connections in the left sidebar. Click Connections to open the page that lists services you've linked to Discord. This is where integrations like GitHub, Twitch, and others appear. If GitHub is already connected, you'll see its tile here. If you don't see GitHub at all, it means there's nothing to unlink and you're already done. On the GitHub tile, look for a small X icon. This X removes the connection. Click the X on the GitHub tile. Discord will prepare to disconnect your GitHub from your account. If you have multiple GitHub accounts connected, make sure you select the correct tile before you click the X so you don't remove the wrong one. A confirmation prompt will appear asking you to confirm the change. Click Unlink to finalize. This breaks the authorization between Discord and GitHub. From this point forward, Discord will no longer display your GitHub on your profile or use it for server features that rely on that connection. Nothing on your GitHub account or repositories is deleted. This only severs the link in Discord. If you had roles or perks on a server that were granted based on your GitHub connection, you may lose them until you reconnect or verify by another method. So keep that in mind. That's all there is to it. Quick tip. After unlinking, the GitHub tile should disappear from the connections page. If it still shows up, refresh Discord or sign out and back in to update the view. And remember, you can always reconnect GitHub later by returning to connections and choosing GitHub again, then following the on-screen authorization. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped, feel free to replay any sections. That's double check the steps and you'll have your accounts organized exactly the way you want.